All right. I have horrible news. I have very horrible news. I have very, very horrible news. Oh. Nothing we do today actually matters. Nothing we do today actually matters. Unless nothing we do today actually matters. Unless it's connected, what we do today is connected to your answer to this question. So what are you intending to achieve? We're going to swap this mic out in a couple minutes, don't fear. What are you intending to achieve, and what about that is important? So you just chose a card that represents a future you want to create. Maybe your answer to the question relates to that. What are you intending to achieve? And I'm going to add at work. So what are you intending to achieve at work, and what about that is important? Is important. And if you would, how many of you are standing or sitting next to somebody who you know? Just out of curiosity. This is human nature, right? Nobody walks into a wedding and is like, who do I know least in the room, right? So my invite is to answer this question, hop into a thruple, which is a technical facilitation term for groups of 3 people. Hop into a thruple, ideally with a couple people that you don't know. And just answer this question, what are you intending to achieve? And my intention in starting off with this is I want to give you 2 teammates who kind of understand your context, where you're coming from, so that they can be your antenna and be listening for things that might be useful, think about other resources, things that they know about, and help you out. So 2 people, ideally who you don't know, what are you intending to achieve at work, and what about that is important? All right. Go ahead and just pause those conversations. You can actually stay right where you are. If you can hear me, just start waving at me. Oh, hey, what's up? Nice to see everybody. Also a good silent way to get other people's attention, because they're wondering, why are people waving right now? So this is part of my invitation to ruthlessly steal and reinterpret anything I say or do and apply it to your own context. So I didn't plan on teaching you the wave thing, but you just watched it happen, and so you're like, oop, boop. Put that in the back pocket, right? On the list of whatever other ways you grab people's attention.